You know how companies are constantly paying expediting fees to get the materials that they need for their jobs, things at the last minute, and you got to pay all this exorbitant expedite fee to get things in? Well, I solve this too. What we really focus on is letting the demand that you build in the estimating process trigger that procurement process. Let's go take a look. Okay, so now within the application, let's go into jobs, and I'll just give you an example here. I'm going to use just this job 100801. This is a job for some custom material handling. I want to take a look at the purchase BOM line. So here is the material list, and I've only got about 4 items. You may have hundreds of items in your material list that you need for this particular job. But notice what it's doing. It's taking the quantity, each of these different quantities, and then it's saying this is the outstanding demand. Notice there's no job to date usage of those materials. If there were, it would certainly reduce the outstanding demand. But what we're doing is, because we're fully integrated, very important point here, we've got the unit cost, we've got who the vendor is, and so we set up a quantity to requisition. And that's done pretty much automatically here by auto-filling the quantity to requisition. Although if you only want to order 2 of that particular item, you can actually just edit it here on the fly. And then you simply create your requisitions. This is no different than if you just manually went in and added to your requisition worksheet these 4 line items, or if you used the item cards parameters and then generated your procurement from there. But I like this concept of actually creating the requisition right from the job for one very important part, is that when you kind of push it to your requisitions from the job, it knows the job number that it came from. And so we are tagging that requisition line with the job number, so the PO also has the job number, and hence you've got that committed cost showing on the jobs. If you'd like to see a demonstration of this in full detail, I encourage you to give me a call and let's go through it one-on-one. Thanks so much.